welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm super excited to share one of my favorite starters, butter garlic chicken, but with a little twist. It's crispy, buttery, garlicky, and absolutely mouth-watering. So let's get started. Step 1. Marination time. First, I take about 500 grams of chicken in a bowl. Now, to this chicken, I add 2 spoons of salt, 1 spoon of red chili powder for that spicy kick, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of fresh ginger garlic paste, about 2 tablespoons of rice flour, but if you don't have that, you can use corn flour too. And finally, half a lemon's juice for that zesty flavor. Now mix everything really well, make sure all the pieces are nicely coated. Once done, cover the bowl and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. Trust me, this step is key to locking in all those amazing flavors. Step 2. Time to fry. Once our chicken is well marinated, take a pan, heat some oil, and carefully add the chicken pieces. Fry them on medium flame and don't forget to flip them so both sides cook evenly. You want that beautiful red to maroon color and crispy edges. Once they're perfectly fried, take them out and keep them aside on a plate. Step 3. The buttery garlic magic. In the same pan, let's make that flavorful butter garlic sauce. Add 2 spoons of butter, let it melt gently. Now toss in about 10 to 15 chopped garlic cloves. Yes, we want it super garlicky. Keep the flame low so they don't burn. Then, add 1 finely chopped onion and saute till it turns soft and slightly golden. Next goes in 1 chopped bell pepper, any color you like, and cook everything together. In a small bowl, mix 2 spoons of corn flour with a little water. Make sure there are no lumps. Now pour this slurry into the pan. Give it a good mix. The sauce will start to thicken beautifully. Add 1 spoon of tomato sauce and a little water to adjust the consistency. Stir everything together. Now comes the best part. Add in the fried chicken and coat it nicely in this buttery garlic sauce. Let everything cook together for a minute or two so the flavors blend in. Finally, top it with some fresh chopped coriander leaves for that burst of freshness. And that's it, your butter garlic chicken starter is ready, with a delicious twist. It's juicy, it's crispy, it's buttery, and full of flavor. Perfect for any occasion or just to treat yourself. Try this once at home and I promise you'll love it.